Hello guys, good morning. This is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to try to hook Supreme Week 19. So, malapit na matapos yung Supreme. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang Week 19 or Week 20 lang. Titignan na lang natin kung ano meron sila sa loob. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers by 1K subs. So having said that guys, let's get back to the video. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Nagoya and nakakuha na tayo ng number sa Supreme. And for now, we are going to the Medicom Toy Store. Ito yung vape ngayon. Parang wala ata silang bagong release for today. Check na lang din natin mamaya. One of my favorite Japanese brands, meron silang collaboration dito. Team Tomodachi, as you can see. And I think medyo mataas yung price nito. Ang nagbebenta nito ay LHP store, as you can see. Hindi pa natin sila na-feature masyado, pero may mga retail din sila sa loob. Collaborations, tapos Y3, kung ano-ano pang mga premium brands. Pero wala naman kasi nag-order dito, kaya di tayo makapasok-pasok. Hindi ko pa pala nasabi guys, meron sale ngayon yung Atmos, so that's summer sale. And meron siyang sale sa online at saka in-store. Check na lang natin. We are here outside of Medicom Toy Store and pagpasok natin sa loob, meron tayo dito makikitang mga Bear Bricks. This is Alexander Girard. And ito yung dating release ng vape. And sa taas yung may nag-order sa atin na Flower Bomber. So art ni Banksy. And this here, yung fragment design na shirts, collaboration with Bear Brick and Atmos Plant. Pag hindi kayo marunong mag-alaga ng plants, ganyan na lang bilhin nyo. Next is we have the 400% and 1000%. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, wala sila masyadong bago pero ganun pa rin, solid pa rin yung mga pieces nila dito. Just like that one, Iron Man and the Batman set. Ayan, ang gaganda. Itong Rat Fink. Tapos sa taas yung mga iba't ibang klase ng ears na Bear Brick. Ito yung mga makikinang God Selection, no? Below it, they have this artwork. Ayan, Japanese art. On this side, they restock the Nave Bear Brick. So, UV light yun. And COS, Medicom, nandyan. Collaboration nila. Yung mga art figurines. Sa taas din, Kachamuku. And yung vape. On this side, they have the Fragrance Bear Brick and ito, 200% die-cast Bear Brick. Napakaganda. That's what they have in Medicom and ngayon naman pupunta tayo ng Atmos. Here at Atmos, they have this newly released collaboration with A6. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero ito yung women's version, ito yung men's version. A6 Gel Light NYC ata to. Ayan, napakaganda. And at the side, meron silang mga women's Jordans. Ayan, meron pa silang Nike Air Jordan 4. Industrial Blue. Ito naman yung men's section. Grabe, sitting lang yung Jays ngayon, no? So, if ever you need one, just let me know. Tapos ito yung selection nila ng Air Force Ones. Mga Dunks. Nakasit na rin. Ayan. Bagong restock nila. Yung curry ba yun? Medium curry. Pandas, nandiyan na rin. And Air Force One snakeskin. Yung material. Ang cool. Tapos ito rin. Mga bagong release. And dito meron tayong Uncaged Spiridon. Triple black. Mukha siyang Venom, no?
Ang ganda. Bagong release lang yan. Ito yung luma sa taas. Mukhang Stussy. Okay. So, ayan yung mga selection nila sa Nike. Mga Air Max DNs, Air Max Plus. And dito tayo sa kabila. So, dito pala meron tayong lawsuit. Adidas lawsuit. Yung Bape collaboration nandun din. Puma. Maraming selection ng Puma. Oops. Dito sa baba, ito yung newly released New Balance 2002 or Mules. Ayan. Yung protection pack, no? So, ayun lang nandito sa Atmos.
Nagkamali ako guys, wala palang sale in store. So online lang nakasale nila na mga items. So, ngayon, babalik tayo ng Medicom Toy Store para kunin yung isa nating item para sa client. Na-order na natin yung isang Boba Fett na Berry Bricks. Pinaiwan natin dun sa staff ng Medicom Toy since kaibigan ko naman sila. Right now, I'm going back to Supreme and ito yung mga nirelease nila for week 19. That's what they have in Supreme and we've got our items here. Wala masyadong benta ngayon, matumal kasi nilabas na lahat ng Supreme yung mga magagandang items nila. This is what our friend Min got. So shirts. There. Babenta lang nila sa sneaker daw. So that's Min. Right now we are going to Bape. Medyo mahangin, inaano yung buhok ko. And let's see what they have inside.
Here inside, they have sets of cups and mugs. As you can see, Nalgene bottle. And over here, they still have the Japan exclusives. Like this one. Ayan. And sobrang dami. May Nagoya exclusive din. And dito tayo sa side na to. Ito yung pinakabago nila, Japan exclusive. Collaboration siya. I don't know what anime is that. Ayan, katakana shirts, restock. Tapos ito naman yung white nung kanina. Ayan. Mga katakana shirts. Dito naman sa baba, meron silang mga Bapestas. Ayan. Slides. Pero wala na yung last time, sayang. Bapesta OS dun sa baba. And nandito pa rin yung mga jersey nila na ABC camo in this red colorway and blue. Yung purple na wala na yung niya jersey shirt. So, ayun. Ayun mga Bape rugs, glasses, sunglass. And dito naman yung Bapex watch nila. New sets of accessories. Burberry na Bape, 200%. iPhone cases. Ballers, mugs.
That's what they have in Bape. And right now, we're going to New Balance. Kasi meron tayong kailangan bilhin doon na 991 V2. Guys, now we're at New Balance store. And ito yung bago nila. This is the 991 V2. And nandito pa rin yung Ted DeSantis na 990 V4, as you can see there. There's also a stock here of the 2002R Mules. So, yung protection pack na Mules. Ayan yung selection nila. Mga lumang designs na nandiyan pa rin. And also, this navy colorway. Ito yung gusto ko eh. Pati yung black. Ito yung pinapa-order sa atin ni Sir Kenopi. Hook natin si Sir Kenopi ng kanyang 991 V2. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa next destination natin. Dito naman tayo sa MFC store and pasukin natin to. Update lang natin kung anong stocks.
Sa loob, ito yung mga makikita natin na Burberrys. Yung pinakabagong Big Bird doon. And mga Mickey Mouse 400% and also the Lee. And ito, Grateful Deads.
Nilagay na natin sa vape yung gamit natin, yung New Balance ni Sir Kenopi. And ngayon, balik tayo ng Supreme. Marami kasing nagtatanong pa regarding the teas, so we have to go back. Well, nakuha na natin yung mga orders natin sa Supreme and Vape and napaiwan na rin natin yan, yung mga additional orders. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo na Stussy. Ayun, nandito na tayo sa Stussy. Let's see what's inside. That's what they have in Stussy, and right now we are going to check Needles pants kasi si Sir Miles nagpapahanap siya ng Needles na pantalon. Gusto niya sana ng oversized, kaya ayun, maghahanap-hanap muna tayo. As we stroll around, pumunta tayo doon sa Sneaker Dunk and bumili tayo ng isang Burberrys. This is for Sir Jason.